Greetings everyone. In this video, I will show you how to jailbreak iOS 10.3.4 on iPhone 5. You can use the same method to jailbreak an iPad 4 on 10.3.4, or you can jailbreak iPhone 5C on 10.3.3 using the same method, and it is the easiest method yet. First of all, you have to go to this website 3u.com and download the latest version of 3U tools for Windows. You will need iTunes also. Download iTunes from the official Apple website. If you have installed iTunes from Microsoft Store, please uninstall it and download it from the official Apple's website. Next guys, you have to disable real-time protection on Windows Defender to complete this jailbreak process and to avoid errors. Please remember to turn it back on after the jailbreak process is done. Alright, next guys, open 3U tools and connect your iPhone via USB. You can check out that my iPhone 5 is on 10.3.4. Now there are two methods to jailbreak iOS 10.3.4. You can just click jailbreak now, and then you can just select Helix, just click here and start jailbreak. But if you are already jailbroken and you just want to install Helix, I mean if you want to kickstart the jailbreak, you can just go to Toolbox, next click jailbreak right here, and then you can install Helix by just clicking this radio button and then click start jailbreak. You can check out that this will just install Helix in seconds onto your device. If you are doing this for the first time, it will download some dependency files. Alright, you can see it is done. Now it will automatically open device management. If it does not open device management automatically, you can just open settings, go to general, scroll down, go to device management, click this certificate, trust, and click trust again. Alright, now you can open the app. Now you can close out of 3U tools. Now simply hit jailbreak. If you see this storage almost full message, you can ignore it. Tap done. Now the device will respring. Now guys, when you are back, you will see Cydia on your home screen. Let's check out the version. You can check out that it's an iPhone 5 on 10.3.4 jailbroken successfully. Now guys, if you are seeing errors, you can just remove this repo, ultrasnow. And guys, you can check out that everything is working just fine. Sources, changes, installed, everything is working perfectly fine. That's all for this video guys. If you still have questions, please ask me in the comment section and I will help you. I will see you in a new video. Goodbye.